Hello and welcome to the Arts and Crafts lesson. How are you? Alright. Today we are going to draw a sea sunset. All the materials that you need are one piece of paper, a pencil, a black marker, and crayons. For the first part, take the paper and the pencil and make a curvy line. Then, draw two palm trees like this. On the top, put 1, 2, and 3 little coconuts. And then do the palm leaves. Look! Next step is the skyline. You will need to draw a straight line. And finally, add some vegetation on the sides. Now, it's time to color with the crayons. First, we will need to do the sun. We can use something round like this candle, a coin, or a bottle cap. As I said, we will use the crayons, not the pencil this time, and color all the sun in yellow. To paint the sky, pick the crayons pink, orange, peach, use the pink to draw a first line over the sun. Then make the same with the orange and peach crayon, like this. And color each section with those colors. And yellow. Now it's time to the vegetation and the palm trees. Use a bright green for the coconuts and some edges of the vegetation. And dark green for the rest and the palm leaves. Finally, you can add some lines if you want to, like this. Use brown crayon for the palm trunk. Next, we are going to color the water. Use bright blue and leave a triangle unpainted. It will be the reflection of the sun. Then use a darker blue for the edges and shadows. For the sun reflection, we are going to use yellow again and add some blue softly. Finally, it's time to the island. Start painting the edges in dark green. Complete the ground in bright green. You can add some details and grass with the dark green crayon. And here it is, our sea sunset. I hope you like it. Now it's your turn. Goodbye!